Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best cordless drills on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill. To say that Dewalt has a variety of hand tools is akin to saying that Canada has a variety of bacon. This particular selection slips in under $100 and includes the drill, battery, charger, and carrying case. You're on your own for bits and attachments. That's not a wholly bad thing, however, since it means you're not paying for stuff you may not ever use. By picking up the basics, you've pocketed some cash to go out and buy the ancillary items you actually need, instead of having a bunch of weird-sized bits that'll rattle around in your toolbox forever. A 4.8 out of 5 rating is stellar considering there are 32,000 plus reviews. Pros. Great name, focuses on the core product. Cons. Beginners will need to buy bits. Number 2. Our second best pick is Black+Decker 20V Max Cordless Drill. This brand has taken a few knocks over the last couple of decades, a result of chasing profit margins and market share at the expense of using good internal parts. As an example, your author still has a B&D corded drill his grandfather used in the 70s. Recently, these issues have been addressed, at least partially, leading to much better than average ratings on this particular drill. It comes with an array of accessories, some of which you'll never use. Reviewers recommend picking up a second battery, despite the brand's assertion that one holds a charge for 18 months. Pros. Good for general use and hobbyists. Cons. Not good for concrete. Number 3. Our third best pick is Makita 18V Lithium-Ion Cordless 1x2-inch Drill Kit. Seeing this brand always reminds your author of Stan Makita, the Blackhawks great who dominated the NHL 50 years ago. Useless hockey associations aside, this drill is nearly a pro-grade unit, with a mechanical 2-speed transmission just like a Chevy Power Glide. Makita says the electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM to the changing demands of the application. In other words, hitting a knot in a board should make drill go brrrr. Its torque rating is higher than others, too. Pros. Robust electric twist, half-inch chuck. Cons. Priced north of many other drills. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Avid Power 20V Max Lithium-Ion Cordless Drill. Avid Power might sound like a nerdy superhero but is actually the name applied to a series of budget power tools. Priced in the under $40 class, this power drill set should be enough to get the cost-conscious hobbyist off to a good start. At a glance, this drill could be confused for a craftsman thanks to its color scheme. Whether this is a good or bad thing is up to you. Complaints from customers include carping about battery life and charging units going on the fritz. However, several reviews mention that the company's customer support is helpful. Pros. That price makes for a low-cost entry to the DIY lifestyle. Cons. Possible battery issues. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is GOXAWEE Cordless Drill with 2 batteries. Straying into the never heard of end of the pool is this pistol-shaped tool that's alternatively marketed as a cordless drill and cordless screwdriver via some wonky English translations. It does come with drill bits, permitting its inclusion on this list. A pair of batteries are included, speaking to either a long run time or the lack of juice in a single pack. It does feature a variable speed motor and a 2-speed setting. Basic stuff, yes, but necessary for even the most entry-level of DIY. Reviews are largely positive. Pros. Unique shape, 2 batteries. Cons. Say what? Brand name. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.